Good afternoon, respected sir and respected ma'am. My name is Anurag Sharma and I am as a PhD chemistry from the last 8 years. And today is my demo video and my topic is electrochemistry. Okay, this chapter is belongs to class 12, unit 3rd. Class 12, unit 3rd. First of all, we have discussed about what is the electrochemistry. Electrochemistry basically combination of two word electro plus chemistry. It means we study about we study about flow of electricity oblique electric current in terms of chemistry. Okay, the transfer of electron we are discussed about in the terms of chemistry, that is on the basis of the some chemicals reactions. All cell are performed redox reaction. Okay, all cell are performed redox reaction. First of all, discuss about what is the cell. Basically, cell is the device. It a device which convert chemical energy into electrical energy and electrical energy convert into chemical energy. In our daily life, we use lots of cells like remote cells. Cells are used in the TV remotes, AC remotes, television remotes, and so, very small cells we are used in our wristwatch. Wristwatch consists of very small cell that is known as the mercury cell. Mercury cell. This cell is discussed a later after when the types of the cell we have discussed. Mercury cell is a type of cells. Okay, let's discuss the types of cells. Okay, it is known as the electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell. Okay, and here are discussed are two types. Here are discussed as two types. First is the electrolytic cell, and there are galvanic cell, Daniell cell. It is known as the voltaic cell. This is known as the voltaic cell. Okay, let's discuss what is the electrochemical cell. As earlier discussed, some cells are chemical energy are converted into electrical energy, and some cells are electrical energy converted to the chemical energy. Okay, so this cell are convert electrical energy into chemical energy. Electrical energy are converted into chemical energy. Okay, such like electrolysis of water, that is the example. Electrolysis of water, when we pass the electricity into the water, they are converted into OH negative and H negative sign. Okay, and what is the galvanic and whatever the Daniell cell? In a Daniell cell, a chemical energy a chemical energy convert into electrical energy, that is convert into electrical energy. Chemical energy are converted into electrical energy. So here are two types of the cells which can be used. A chemical energy are converted into electrical energy, that is the Daniell cell, and electrical energy are converted into the chemical, are known as the electrochemical cell. Okay, on the basis of the syllabus, First, we have to discuss about the Daniell cell. Daniell cell, known as the voltaic cell. Okay. In this cell, a two chamber, first one this and second one this. In a first chamber, we take a metallic rod dipped into its solution, and second one a metallic rod dipped into its solutions. Okay, this is discussed as the Daniell cell. Daniell cell, we can write, I can write here because there are some small space. Okay, so this rod is known as the zinc, and this solution is known as the zinc sulfate solutions. Okay, and in this, the rod is copper and the copper sulfate. Okay, and this is connected as a galvanometer to calculate the electric flow, and here are salt bridge. This is the salt bridge. Okay, is it clear? Okay, next, zinc rod and zinc sulfate solutions, and then it will be start, the electron will be flow, electron flow this side to this side, electron flow. Okay, and current will be flow to this side to this side. Let's talk about the reaction. That is, reaction is the zinc plus Cu2 plus Zn2 plus Cu 0. Okay, so zinc converted to zinc positive ions. Okay, zinc converted into zinc positive ion, that means here it places oxidation. It is known as the anode. In a Daniell cell where oxidation is placed, that is known as the anode. It is indicated by the negative sign. And a copper is converted to the reduction. So here are the reduction. It is known as the cathode. It is represented by positive sign. Okay, let's discuss. As per this, according to equation, let's discuss what is the oxidation, what is the reduction. We know very well, we have read in our previous classes, like Zn converting to zinc positive, that means it gives 2 ions. When the elements are converted into positive, that is known as the oxidation. Remove of electron, gain of positive charge, and here as copper convert is Cu2 plus 2, gain 2 electron converted to Cu0, that is positive charge converted to 0, that means that is reduction, and it is the gain of electron. It means gain of electron and gain of negative charge. Okay, as per discuss, the lecture should be 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, so I stop here. I hope you understand very well my demonstrations, and it is the electrochemistry chapter. We discuss the electrochemistry, what is the electrochemistry, we discuss the what is the cell, how many types of the cell, and discuss the Daniell cell. Okay, thank you very much.